Happy birthday.
Hi, Berdine. I just want to greet you a happy birthday, and I hope that this simple video made you happy, and see you around.
Go.
Hello po, happy birthday, Ricky, and God bless.
Hi, Pretty. Happy birthday nga pala. Pasaya ka, it's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. And you're gonna it's birthday. Enjoy. Baka pumunta ako mamaya. Peace out.
Sawadika! Ha? Harurut! Charot. Hi, Bessie Erwin! Kamusta ka na? Ayun, so medyo haggard tayo for today's video. Okay lang yan. Kasi nga si Kuya Jai ay minamadali tayo. Pero dapat ikaw muna ang fresh for today's video kasi nga it's your birthday! Ayun, so sana makita ulit tayo, tayong wave natin sa Talatech. At magkaroon tayo ulit ng bonding. And sana matuloy siya. Diba nga? Kasi medyo malawag naman na. Kasing lawag mo. Tsareng. Ayaw, basta happy birthday. Please enjoy your birthday. And wish you all the best. Okay? See you soon. I love you. Take care.
Hello Erwin, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay sana mas kuminis ka pa. Joke lang. Well, gusto kong sabihin na sana makatulong ka pa sa maraming nangangailangan, lalong-lalo na yung mga kabataang nag-aaral. Kailangan niya sa panahon ngayon sa online class. 150 a day is enough. So yun lang. Joke lang Erwin. Happy birthday.
Hi, Pretty. Walaan mo kung sino ako. Charot. Hi, Pretty. Happy birthday. Di ka man lang nagparamdam. Birthday mo pala. Kaya ka pala naka-BL. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana marami pang blessings na dumating. At saka, sana happy ka palagi. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Pretty. I wish you good health and more success in your career. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Pretty. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and God bless you always and stay healthy, pretty, funny, humble, kind, and caring. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi Erwin, happy birthday. Sana hindi ka pa mamatay kasi alam ko marami ka pang mapapasaya. Bye!
Hi, Pretty. Happy birthday. Hope you have many more birthdays to come and hope to see you soon and I love you.
Happy birthday, Erwin! Magbigay ka naman ng pa-cake, tsaka pa-ice cream dyan. Happy birthday! Birthday na ni Erwin! Birthday! Ow! O, ayan ha. Sobrang yung ko effort yan pag di ka nagpadala ng ice cream tsaka cake dito, ewan ko na lang sa'yo pag nag-meet tayo. Miss ko na kayo! Happy birthday! Enjoy your 18th birthday! Paganda ka lalo Bye-bye!
Oy, Pretty! Happy birthday! Have a blast! Enjoy your day and stay pretty as always.
Happy birthday, Erwin. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pretty. Good health and more birthdays to come. Ayan, bye-bye.
Hi, Pretty. Happy birthday. Stay pretty and quirky and sexy. Vak ng tuwa.
Happy birthday, Erwin. Wish you all the best and happiness in life. Enjoy and be a good girl. Happy birthday.
Hi Erwin, happy birthday. I hope that you're enjoying your day today. Please stay safe, stay healthy. Sana nasa maayos kang kalagayan pati yung pamilya mo. And sana lahat ng hinihiling mo ngayong araw na to ay matupad. And I know God will provide. So sana magkabanding tayo ulit soon. And please enjoy your day today, okay? Bye-bye. Keep safe. Happy birthday again.
Maligayang kaarawan sa aking butihing kapitbahay, si Erwin. Naway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal at dumami pa ang iyong lalaki sa buhay.
Happy birthday, Erwin. Ingat ka palagi. Enjoy your birthday.
All the way from Bantayan, Cebu. Happy birthday, pretty!